Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we're going to be unboxing and setting up another train set. I'm really liking doing this type of video, but a while back, and when I say a while back, this train set was picked up at Walmart on a day after Christmas sale, so the prices on everything was slashed off on anything Christmas themed. And speaking of Christmas, this is called the Grinch Express. But really cool toy train here. Its suggested price is $10. Day after Christmas sale, got it for just $5. Now, with it being that cheap, I do not think it's going to be no high-end modeling like Lionel Bachman or any of the higher grade model train things out there. But for a nice little toy train set, I think it looks good. It seems to be of great build quality. We'll find that out when we open it. Speaking of company, I do not even see a... Yeah, dude. A maker's mark here. Is produced by Ruz, R-U-Z. I guess that's how you pronounce that. They do have a social media link. If I can find it, I'll link it down in the description box below in this video. But really cool. As I said, it's the Grinch Express. It's got a nice Grinch themed train there, a little car, the caboose, and then the Grinch himself riding in the tender. I guess he's taking coal and keeping the engine going. The engine runs on batteries. It's not electrical powered. Again, a $5 set. It's got two AA batteries that are required to run the set. I've got those here out here in the workshop. Since I'm ready to do this, let me move the camera closer to the card table, get set up, and we'll start taking this out of the box and getting it put together.
And we're going to begin by unboxing everything and getting it out on the table. I did discover that the track was an oval, and I was unable to do the full oval here on this small card table, so I just done a circle, and the track snaps together real easy and is sturdy built and real good quality, but real cool, and everything is nice and smooth. Now I will go and begin to take the cars out and examine those. And as I said, the train runs on two AA batteries, and you need a Phillips head screwdriver to take the battery compartment door at the back here off. But I put the batteries in and flipped the engine on to make sure it ran, and put the battery compartment back on, and we were ready for a test run. Alright, everything is unboxed and assembled. As you can tell here, it was supposed to be an oval. The instructions say it is 9 foot of track included, but I don't have room to set up the oval, just letting you know that is an option. The assembly of the track is fairly straightforward. It is these little snaps here, and you do it at a little angle here, and then you flatten it out, and then they lock in place, and they hold surprisingly well to be a cheaper set like this, but really cool. Just letting you know that that is an option to have the oval there. I already have the batteries in the train here, but really nice little details. The battery compartment is back here with a Phillips head screw to hold it in place. The power switch is also on the train. The Grinch Street Grinch Express. If you flip the switch one way, the light will come on. You can hear the wheels turning. It has two driver wheels under here. But if you flip the switch the other way, you get lights and sound, but really neat. We'll go on and get him on the track. There we go. Now we'll do the tender, which for a cheaper set, the Grinch figure looks amazing, but really cool. Again, I think this is supposed to be the tender, and then the Grinch is just feeding the locomotive coal. We'll hook that on. Fairly straightforward hooks here for the trains too. The little trolley is Grinch green with his face on the side there. And then the caboose. Looks like Cindy Lou Who and Max the dog is riding in the caboose with some of the other people of Whoville. But it's nice quality plastic. I mean, it's a cheap set, but it's not built cheap. if that makes any sense. Alright, everything's on. We'll run it around a few times and let it go on its own, and I'll do it with sound just for sound purposes. I'd like to play the song, but I'd get flagged for copyright reasons, so we'll just do this right here. Really, really neat. Oh, it's actually playing Jingle Bells. Cool. Really, really neat. Cool. There it is, the Grinch Express. I don't know if it eats batteries like crazy. Again, it just runs on 2 AA batteries. But here it is, fully assembled and set up and ready to go. I will probably pack this away and bring it back out at Christmas time. But really cool. And that is everything that comes with the Grinch Express set from Walmart. Again, for $5, I know I am more than going to get $5 worth of enjoyment out of this train set. I love trains of all varieties, especially the old steam locomotives, which is what this train was modeled after, of course, but really, really cool. I don't know if this set is readily available, but what I will do is stick the toy company's social media link down in the description box below in case anyone wants to search for it and have one for themselves. I am more than likely going to take the batteries out of the train and put the train back in the box and put it up until Christmas time this year, where I'll probably get it back out and set it up in the living room during Christmas time. I have the train back here on the CNC machine right now, so I can take some pretty pictures of it before putting it back in the box. But really, really cool. I had fun in this video, and I hope you guys like this video. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, and also follow me over on my Instagram page at Artisan Pirate. All my social media links will always be linked down in the description box below. That's about all for this one. Remember, guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.